Welcome back. We are starting a new video series this week, and we are going to be talking about 20 tips to get you started with Microsoft OneNote for Mac. A lot of these will be similar to PC, but not exactly the same, and not all the features are the same. But again, I'm working from a Mac, and I know that there's several people that are using Mac, and then Mac is becoming more accepted in business as well. So anyway, we're going to go through these, give you 20 tips, and the reason I'm doing this series is because as I walk through the office before this whole health issue worldwide that's took place, I would see a couple of things, right? I'd see people either taking notes in Microsoft Word or even Excel sometimes, or they'll be taking them, writing them down in their notebook or on, just some printer paper, and then what I see happening is that people can't find that the folks who are taking it and writing it down on paper, and I get the value of writing things down, but what I tend to find with those folks too is that when I go to their cubes, they have just stacks and stacks of notebooks and paper, and really can't find the things that they took the notes on, and they haven't transcribed their action items and follow-up items into something that they can easily find. So we spend 5 minutes while they look for something, right? And then the folks who are taking notes in Word and or Excel. I mean, it's okay. You can do it. At least it's electronic, and you can at least search for that. But it's still not as comprehensive as I think OneNote is. I think OneNote has been transformative in terms of my productivity for my meetings and the ability to find things and access things and document things pretty easily, and it's all in one place. So I'm excited to walk you all through this, and I know there's a lot of people that have thought about doing it and maybe don't know how to get started in, and that this is what it's for. Those folks who are power OneNote users, this is not the series for you. It's for the folks who are looking for opportunities to delve into it and try it. And we'll go step by step with some things. There's a lot more than what I'm going to be covering in these 20 tips, obviously, but again, this is a good, safe place for you to get started. So do me a favor, did not ask for this in the beginning, but if you have not subscribed yet, I would encourage you to do that, become a subscriber. So hit the subscribe button, click the thumbs up, really appreciate it. Lets me know that somebody's A, watching, and B, appreciates it. And then C, hit the alert button if you want to be notified of future videos. So I will add the playlist to this video, although it'll be empty the first time that we use it. Because this will be the first video, so nothing's going to be there. But again, want to make sure that we can help you be as productive as possible, increase your effectiveness in meetings, and whether you're attending them or leading them, either way, it's a very, very good tool, very powerful tool, as you'll see here, just from the 20 basic tips that I'll show you here. And again, hopefully you can reduce that carbon footprint and be a little bit more green with our trees and things. Not that I'm a tree hugger or anything, but I still think we need to, be responsible with the environment we're given here and be positive stewards of it. So anyway, not to get too political, appreciate again you checking in, and look forward to covering these 20 tips with you, and we will talk to you at the next video.